Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to save friends Instagram story to my story. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to share a friend's Instagram story to your own story, what you need to do is understand the requirements. They must have tagged you in their story and their account must be public, or if private you must be following them. In order to add the story to your story, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Instagram app and be sure to be logged in. Then what you need to do is simply tap on the message icon on the top right, or just simply slide to the right. Then find the message of the friend that has tagged you and you'll be seeing something like this, add to your story button on that story. Now in order to simply add that story to your story, tap on it and then tap on the add to story once again, and the selected story will be added to your story. All you gotta do is tap on your story option on the bottom corner of the screen. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.